Earth surface. So friends, Earth Earth's surface is the boundary between the atmosphere and the solid Earth and oceans. Defined in the way Earth's surface shape is an idealized spheroid, a squashed sphere with a surface area of about 510 million kilometers square. Earth can be divided into two hemisphere by latitude into the polar northern and southern hemisphere, or by longitude into the continental eastern and western hemisphere. So most of Earth's surface is ocean. 70.8 makes Earth with its dynamic hydrosphere a water world or ocean world. And at Earth polar regions, the ocean surface is covered by seasonally variable amount of sea ice that often connects the polar land and and permafrost and ice sheet forming polar ice caps.